myself quickly. So I'm Dr. Anna and I'm a postgraduate dental student, and today's video is about the most requested video I get as dentist. So as soon as people get to know that I'm a dentist, any relatives or any friends or family, what they ask me, the first thing they ask me is that how can I whiten my teeth, and is there any home remedies to whiten teeth at home, and stuffs like that. So I thought, why not I clear all the doubts, the myths and facts related to teeth whitening. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started, and don't forget to watch the video till the end so that you will be aware with the whole teeth whitening procedure. So yeah, let's start. So before getting to know what are the type of teeth whitening procedure, first thing you need to know here is that what causes stain and what are the type of stain on your teeth. So there are two types of stain on your teeth basically, that is called external stain, internal stain, extrinsic and intrinsic stain. So what causes extrinsic stain? Extrinsic stain can be because of various reasons, if you are consuming any food which has color, it can stain your teeth, or it can also be because of if you are not maintaining oral hygiene, or it can be because of smoking, or because of excessive consumption of tea or coffee, and various other reasons. Okay, and internal stain on the other hand is the stain which is inside your teeth, and it can be because of reasons like it can also be a genetic cause, it can be because of certain medication like tetracycline, can be because of fluorosis, because of excessive consumption of fluoride in your drinking water, and it can also be because of age related factor. Yeah, one thing you need to know here is that as age advances, the color of your teeth becomes yellowish. So I'll come into that later. So most of the doubt I get regarding teeth whitening is mostly about home remedies to whiten teeth, and are they effective, and do I recommend them? So my answer to the first question is that yeah, it might be effective, and there are many home remedies which you will find on YouTube, like plenty of videos which people have made. And if you ask me that if I recommend them, then the answer is no, because the agent which they are using to whiten teeth, which they are showing, mostly they are either strong acid which can cause extensive damage to your teeth, and also they are using things like baking soda. It is also a strong abrasive agent which can cause extensive damage to your teeth. So yeah, my answer is no. So your teeth has three parts: enamel, dentin and pulp. So enamel is the outer layer of your teeth which basically gives whiter appearance to your teeth, and this dentin is the inner layer which is slightly yellowish in color. And as I've already explained, as your age advances, what happens is that the enamels will start getting thinner and thinner, because of which dentin will start appearing more, because of which your teeth will start turning yellow. So what will happen when you use this teeth whitening agent is that what they are basically doing is that they are removing a part of enamel, because of which your enamel is getting thinner and thinner. You might get this white appearance for a short while, which will make you happy for that moment, but what will happen is that in future your teeth will start getting yellowish because of exposure of the dentin, the inner part of your teeth. There are also many toothpaste which are available in the market which claims to whiten your teeth, but basically they are also doing the same thing what your home remedies are doing, because it also has strong abrasives. They add strong abrasives which is very harmful for your teeth, especially for your enamel, and it is the main reason I have used it myself and I have found the result. The teeth were breaking when I was using it. I used it for a month, but I saw the result. It was good. It appeared white for a while when I was using it, but I started noticing that there was crack on my tooth. Yes, then you should be very cautious about using all that product. As we already discussed about type of stains, I told extrinsic and intrinsic stain. One more thing, important thing I want to tell you is that extrinsic stain is easy to remove. All those home remedies we discussed, it might work on extrinsic stain, but intrinsic stain is very difficult to remove. Even with professional help, we can't assure that it will be removed 100%. So yeah, you can imagine. So now I will describe one by one what are the types of teeth whitening procedures which is done in dental office. So yeah, if your teeth look something like this, that means that your teeth needs to be clean before it needs to be whitened. So I think you should go for scaling in such case. So what they will do in scaling is that they'll remove the excess tartar which is there in your teeth, and yeah, excess debris and any extra stains, which is mostly extrinsic stains, and they will remove it, and after removing only you will see a huge difference. And I don't think that you would want to go for this teeth whitening also, because your teeth will already look whiter, so much whiter than before. Okay, so yeah, so for such case scaling is enough, and if you would like to further go for teeth whitening, you can go. So now I will describe teeth whitening procedures. So the teeth whitening procedure which is done in dental office is known as bleaching. It is not that bleaching which is done in our house. Okay. So there are various kind of bleaching techniques which can be done. First is in-office bleaching, then comes at-home bleaching, then laser bleaching technique, and also non-vital bleaching technique. I'll explain it to you one by one. So what is this in-office bleaching? In this technique, the teeth whitening procedure is done in the clinic itself, and the agent which is used for this procedure is carbamide peroxide and hydrogen peroxide. Both are oxidizing agent. What it does is it basically oxidizes the stain of your teeth. Later on it removes the stains and gives your teeth whiter appearance. And this is also one of the most effective procedure among all. And there are like 2-3 appointments you have to visit to your dentist, and I think in the gap of 2 weeks for each appointment. And next I'll explain about at-home bleaching. For this at-home bleaching, for the first appointment you have to visit to your dentist, and then your dentist will take measurement of your teeth and give you a tray which you have to use every night, overnight. And this also contains the same oxidizing agent. This tray also contains the same oxidizing agent. I think you have to use this for few weeks time to give pretty brighter smile, to have a pretty brighter smile. Okay, yeah. And next is laser bleaching. Laser bleaching is also a technique which is used, but it is not very common since laser bleaching is a very expensive technique, so we don't do it much. And another technique which I want to explain is non-vital bleaching. This is mainly done for the teeth which has discolored because of failed root canal treatment or because of failed filling, which I have already explained that teeth discoloration can also be because of this failed root canal treatment. Yeah, so this technique is used for in those cases. So yeah, this completes the whole technical part of the teeth whitening procedure. And there is one more technique known as white strip method. White strips are available in the medical store, but I have not used it yet, so I don't know how effective it is, but I have heard that it is not as effective as the professional whitening technique. So there are strips which you have to keep in the mouth for a particular period of time, and that will give you a brighter shade of your teeth. And one more thing to be noted here is after every teeth whitening procedure, you have to use this desensitizing toothpaste, preferably Sensodyne, because this sensitivity is major problem after every teeth cleaning or teeth whitening. So yeah, it's better if you use this desensitizing toothpaste, preferably Sensodyne, which is a very good one. So this completes the whole teeth whitening procedure video. I hope I have cleared your doubt. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and also click the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. It will help me a lot. And thanks for all your love and support so far. I'll come up with another video next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.